joining the conversation, exploring TOEFL forums and online communities. Hello, dear English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of TOEFL forums and online communities. These platforms are invaluable for any student preparing for the TOEFL exam. They provide insights, share resources, and give you a platform to discuss any doubts. Let's uncover how you can benefit from these communities. Engaging in forums and communities is more than just about reading resources. It's about 1. Interactivity. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and seek clarifications. 2. Shared experiences. Learn from the experiences of those who have taken the test. 3. Diverse resources. Discover books, study plans, and strategies you might not find elsewhere. 4. Feedback. Get reviews on your essays, speaking tasks, or any practice tests. Being a part of any community requires you to be respectful and maintain the decorum of the platform. Here are some etiquette tips. 1. Be polite. Remember, everyone is here to learn. Encourage and uplift rather than criticize. 2. Stay on topic. Keep the discussion relevant to TOEFL. Avoid unrelated comments. 3. No spam. Do not share irrelevant links, resources, or advertisements. 4. Respect privacy. Don't share personal details of yourself or anyone else. To benefit the most, you should 1. Participate actively. The more you engage, the more you'll gain. 2. Share resources. If you find a helpful tool, share it with others. 3. Set up study groups. Collaborate with others to set up study sessions. 4. Challenge yourself. Try answering other students' doubts. It'll test your knowledge too. TOEFL forums and online communities are a treasure trove of insights, experiences, and resources. Dive in, engage, and make the most of them. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn. We hope this video enlightens you on the significance of these platforms. Until next time, keep learning and best of luck with your TOEFL preparations.